Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, September 5th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. Lightning, moving average bounce, narrowing state, slingshot. Moving average bounce, lightning to the upside. Moving average bounce, Fibonacci, lightning to the upside.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains. We're going to see how this price reacts to the high of the day. If the price gets past the high of the day, statistically speaking, the price will come up and challenge that area. All right, so we locked in a $1 move, and right here, that's a $2 move. So if the price keeps excelling with speed and violence to the upside, little by little we'll continue to lock in profits. But right now, this move is very strong, so I want to give it enough wiggle room to breathe, just in case we have some retracements along the way. But as of right now, everything is very high probability that we will continue to go up farther. Now that the price got through the 463 and a quarter area, I want to see how the price reacts to this price range, and as always, we're going to manage bar by bar. Here is a $3 move. We're going to lock in $2 right now. I'm expecting some level of retrace after this big impulse up, so we're going to see how it goes. But as of right now, we're going to lock in a guaranteed $2 move. Right here would be a $4 move. Now, I'm not saying we're going to get up to the $4 marker. Right now, we're at the 464.50 area, so we'd have to clear that, get up to the 464.75 area and clear that, and then get up to the 465 area. So we're going to play it bar by bar and take what the market gives us. All right here is what I believe is the retrace. If it stays in this range and explodes up to the 465, we'll close out. If the retrace pulls back deeper, what we'll do is, based on the retrace, we'll actually trade up to roughly around the highest point. All right, so this retrace was slightly deeper, so it's going to change our management plan. So what we're going to do now is we're going to lock in $2.50, and we're going to see how this price reacts to the 464.50 area. And if we blow past it, we might actually trail our stop in and lock a little bit better than $3, because if this explodes up to the 465 area, it might come down real hard as well. So we want to get slightly underneath it, just in case the price moves very quickly. All right, so right now we're going to lock in $3 guaranteed, and hold on one second, we might pull profits. Let's see how this reacts.
Order fill.
And there's about a $3.50 move, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, there's little to no fall through. It kind of went up to the 364.75 area, and it was just, it almost acted like it hit a ceiling. So I would like to see it go up to the 465 area to get that full $4. But you got to take what the market gives you, and you have to be able to read the charts and see how price is reacting to different areas. As always, never forget, be a pro.